Hello there, Bellbots. They reacted to the last bit of Robert Ellis coughing. It was A. Well, I don't know, Bingo. I guess we're going to find out.
Vapor, what do you think?
Silly Robert! Smoking's bad for your health! Really, Fleek? You just had to make that reference to the movie, didn't you? What? If it...
Pardon me. Don't get me wrong, it's
Okay, I guess you
Whoa. Whoa.
Jeez, you should really see a doctor about that coffee.
Clear it out.
Yeah, he really should see a doctor.
Wow.
Minty.
What?
Whoa.
Seriously, you should stop doing that. Yeah, jeez. He just blew that out his nose. Like a dragon. Jeez, I wouldn't recommend doing that.
Whoa.
Whoa. Minty.
Oh.
Oh. The mint is the same as what the mango does.
He got something going on minty, but it's mostly a colada, or I'm going to say menthol.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay, so 2 of these flavors are for your menthol people.
Minty.
The other 2 are not. My oh my. Holy crap. Good vape. With my juice. Pardon me. Whoa. Minty. Oh. Whoa. This is the fruity one they have. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Mango. Orange for mango. Mango. All right, let's see what the mango does.
Okay, is it just me or is this getting a bit weird? Indeed, Troopy, it is getting kind of weird.
Oh, goodness. Oh. Whoa. 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 Okay. I go deep down in this. Not that deep. You know, not that deep, right?
Yeah. Not so much, actually.
That's what happens. Single coil. Drink of water. Pardon me.
Okay, he should definitely see a doctor. Anything? He seems very sick from all that, you know. Agreed, Hoots. Agreed. Oh, there's his phone.
Whoa, I see stars with that one.
Here we go.
Okay, he's going insane. Jeez. Dude, you should really stop. Dude, stop! This isn't good for you.
Oh.
Yeah, it's bad.
Whoa.
Right, I think that's a good place to end for this reaction. Bye!